car. I wanna take it to anywhere. Maybe we'll make a deal.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Steph and this is my first ever video.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl.
So most of my videos are going to be how-to tutorials, product reviews and random vlogs. There'll be a few car reviews in there as well. I'll definitely be doing a review on this one. It's not mine. I don't have a car at the moment. I am still on the lookout after it didn't end too well with my first car. But each car I go and see, it turns out it's not what I'm looking for. I can't do what I want to be able to do with it. But hopefully the next one I go and see is the one I want. If not, I think you're going to end up coming car shopping with me as well.
Got cash, but I got you, baby.
So I'd say I took an interest to cars more so a couple of years ago. I mean, I've always grown up around cars. My granddad's had them apart, back together. I think there was a different car on the drive every other weekend. But I was never allowed to be hands-on with it. It's been more so since I passed my test and met Sam that I wanted to be more involved and I wanted to do more things myself. But I never thought I'd be modifying a car, so I'll blame Sam for that. I hope he doesn't mind.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
We do have a project car. It's a Mazda MX-5. I won't mention too much about it.
I don't need no
Or a new project because it's pretty much complete, but we're not sure what to get, so any suggestions, drop them in the comments. All will be considered. The same as if there's any videos you want to see, pop them in the comments as well.
I don't need no
So the works we've done on cars, or the upgrades we've done on cars, are painted calipers. We've changed headlights and tinted them, put them back in. Wiper delete, we've done a full service. Brake disc and pad change. Bled brakes. We've actually changed calipers as well. I can't think of anything else off the top of my head, but I'm sure it'll come to me once the video ends. But that's pretty much me and the channel in a nutshell. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.